We're in 2025, and here is what a lot of you believe. You believe that Tom Hanks is the most evil human being. He's a dirty pedo. He's been taken out. You believe that Oprah is one of the worst of the worst. Taylor Swift is so evil. You believe the likes of Whoopi Goldberg. She's evil. Lady Gaga, Alec Baldwin, Kevin Spacey, George Clooney, Ben Affleck. They're also evil. They're the worst of the worst. All these people are. You believe that Beyonce, she's so evil. Madonna, Eminem. This is what people believe. We have David Beckham, Sir David Beckham. No, he's a human trafficker. He's evil. Sir David Attenborough. That's what some people think. He's so evil as well. Adrenochrome. That's why it keeps him alive for so long. This is what people believe. And at the same time, they're all out there. All these people, we're cleaning up evil, taking out terrorists, locking up cartel members. Donald Trump's making the world such a better place, but yet he's left the most evil ones out everywhere. All allowed to go around the world, make movies, write songs, perform in front of millions, go to universities, do inspiring speeches, but you lot think they're evil. No, they've been replaced. They're 2.0. They've all got masks on. They're AI. They're clones. What technology is that then? Clones. They're all out there. Let's use some common sense again, because this is what people haven't got. This is what you lot believe. So they've been replaced. Why? Oh, so when the world wake up, we then bring them all out together. Cool. So Tom Hanks, who's eaten loads of children, and we all know about it, so do the parents of these children. They've all been eaten. They've all been adrenochromed and organ harvest. But we're going to leave them out there just to remind the parents of it all the time. Don't worry, though, they're in a mask. But they've got to go around the world and talk about love and donate to the veterans and do podcasts and inspire more people and do book reviews. But don't worry, they're in a mask. How does that make any sense? Yeah, Cappy. Let's talk Cappy. Who is Cappy? Oh, he's a Hollywood actor. Well, when did he come onto the scene? 2017 did his videos. Donald Trump was the president. He did loads of videos on a lot of these celebrities. Yeah, I believe in Cappy, but he's in Hollywood. Find the one real video of Cappy before 2009 that's not in the movies. Find one photo of him or one documentary or any content at all about his personal life. Find it. You're not going to be able to. So you believe and trust in Cappy, but he's in Hollywood. They're all actors. And yet some people still can't understand this whole concept. The real evil's getting dealt with, but you still think everyone's evil. How's Donald Trump just so calm as you like, because we're in full control, but he's got all evil, satanic, worshipping, adrenochrome, harvesting, human chat, what, he's just waiting in case they mess up and then they give him another slap on the wrist or replace him with another clone. That's what people believe. We're in 2025. The narrative is crashing for a lot of people because it doesn't make any sense. And we're going to look back at this and go, with pride, I was so stupid that I still believed that. I still argued with it. I still made outrageous comments trying to fight it. You're wrong. They're all good people. They always have been. They're part of this entire operation. It's these good people that are going to bring the masses back on. Because a lot of people say, my family won't listen to me. They never pay attention. When are they going to wake up? No, when are you going to wake up? That's why they're not listening to you, because it does sound so outrageous. It was the outrageous things that's got us into this looking. And then with those topics, yes, that stuff goes on around the world. But if you trust in Trump and the military, they've already dealt with it. They wouldn't leave those people out unless they're good people. Common sense is really going to be the buzzword in 2026, because right now the world doesn't have it.